Adversity is not a wall stopping your life. It is a mirror revealing your true power. Shift your mindset right now.
Look around this arena. Despite what you see and what you feel, you were built for an extraordinary purpose.
Stop running from your mistakes. Failure is not your finish line. It is the classroom where greatness is forged.
Genius begins the exact second you become obsessed with what they call impossible. That is where fear dies. The strength inside you was built through every fire you survived. Stand your ground and refuse to break.
When you feel empty, stop looking inward. Go serve someone who cannot repay you, and you will find your fire again. When you unchain yourself from self-judgment, you unlock the unstoppable freedom to master your life. Take it one single day at a time. Be thankful, execute with discipline, and never let temporary setbacks define your destiny.
Own your story. Walk with purpose. Go out there and claim the victory you were born to achieve.
Step into your highest purpose. Live without fear. Subscribe to Minds Atelier and conquer your future.